So in our first example, we have 2 squared plus 4 squared. Now if you remember, 2 raised to the power of 2 or 2 squared is the same as saying 2 times 2. So what the exponent does, it tells us how many values of the base value we need to multiply with one another. So 2 squared would be equal to 4. And we're going to add 4 squared. So 4 squared is the same as saying 4 times 4. So remember, the exponent or the power tells us how many of those values we multiply with each other. So 4 squared is equal to 16, and therefore 4 plus 16 is 20. Let us look at another example. Let us say we have 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 3 squared. Now, 2 raised to the power of 4, the exponent of 4 tells us that we need to have 4 2's that we multiply all together. So if we multiply 2 with itself 3 times, we get the value of 16. So 2 to the power of 4 is 16 plus 3 squared. So 3 squared tells us that we need to have 2 3's. And 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. But what happens if we use 0? So let us say we have 5 squared plus 0 squared. Now we already understand that 5 squared means 5 times 5. And 0 squared means 0 multiplied with 0. So even though 0 is raised to the power of something, that tells us how many zeros we need to have. So we need to have 2 zeros. So the result of 5 times 5 is 25, and the result of 0 times 0 is 0. Therefore, 25 plus 0 is equal to 25.